Yeah, this is Run Darling's furnace. We're gonna replace this, possibly add AC. So we've got our return drop here. Good size. Filter right at the side. We'll do a filter rack on the new one. 90% efficient furnace. So we've got our exhaust in PVC. I do not see a fresh air intake, however. So we'll run another one right along with it. I need to add a combustion air for the water heater if we decide to throw that in, but we'll get there. Gas line comes down. Looks like there's the shutoff right here, so we can replace the shutoff. New drip leg, and of course a flex going into the furnace. Everything new on the furnace side. Condensation, there's a small floor drain right here next to the furnace. And if we had AC, all open floor joists down here, so we can go pretty much in any one of them. Pretty straightforward ordeal. Electricals here on the return. Go and change that out to maybe an updated one.